Hey, this is Prem Kumar from Easy Company. Call my number 638273251. We will see today's update. Especially Nifty 50, it get good support at 11,000. If it getting good support in 11,000, it can move to 12,000. Intermediately, it can check 11,400, 11,600, 11,800. So and alternatively 11,200 is the best resistance also. So we can check the market how it will go for the September October market results. In the September it will give for some what you say speculation on the company results also. So currently 11,200 is the immediate resistance, and it will check the Elliott wave in here in 11,000. If it gets supported well in 11,000, it can move to 11 12,000. Intermediately, it can check every 200 points. So that is the best results for Nifty. If market sentiment goes down, it cannot move above 11,200. It cannot move above 11,200, and it can go below 10,800, and all based on the speculation in this month, not exact results. And based on the exact results, we can see in the next month how the market will touch 12,000 or it will go to 10,600, 10,600 or 10,500. So that's the update on Nifty 50. So if we check Nifty Bank, it performed well yesterday. So all the most of the indices checking Elliott wave, including Nifty 50. NSE Bank also need to check Elliott wave if it required in the upside trend. In the downside trend, heavy resistance may come at 2,900, 2,800 points, heavy resistance. Nifty Bank, so many bank results came, and CPI results came, consumer price indices, and how the bank distributed their money in the industrial production. So all will be included. So based on the speculation, we can see how HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak, Axis performing. Um, Everything on the speculation only in this month. HDFC Bank, it move well in this week. Overall in this month, it checked 2180, 2170, and heavy resistance at 2260. So it already checked very well, including the Elliott. So it can move up to 2450, not in the near term. It may take some company results. Based on the company results, if everything goes fine, it can move to 2400 definitely. HDFC Bank. If nothing will be working well, it cannot move above 2300, 350 like that. So that is the basic update on HDFC Bank. Coming 2 days in this week is crucial for trading in HDFC Bank, as it's checking 2250. That's 2250 and 2300. You can see different deliveries how it will be happen in HDFC Bank. So yesterday especially it done well, delivery wise. You can see all other different speculations, everything on the speculation base. So in the technicals, um, different levels like indicators, how the indicators shown in indicators RSI is in the neutral, and moving average, that is moving average is not very good in most of the indices and stocks. Deviations are not very good, and Williams percentage also not very good. So you can see different indicators. The levels, they shown different levels in the stock edge. The deliveries like that. Deliveries are shown as per preference of the FADA, and financial results we need to wait based on the speculation this month and based on the results next month. So in ICICI Bank, if we see, it is performed, checked very well, but what's the problem is upside trend not performing in a couple of days, checking still checking in the downside at the bottom levels. If it cross for the 400 points, then it's easily can move up to 420, 430, 440 levels. So now the immediate resistance at 400 makes struggling in the ICICI Bank. So compared to HDFC Bank, if we see the technical indicators, RSI is in the medium, and deviation, moving average is not that much good, and Williams percentage in the most negative, but best for buy position, but based on the market sentiments and other factors, it will move above 400. So only after 400 we can say it can move like other stocks in the positive side, other or else it's very difficult. And the negative side, if we check from 400, it can move up to 380, and it can move up to 380. That's the immediate level showing. That's a thing on ICICI Bank. So like that you can check all other banks. Um, if we see State Bank, it performed well yesterday, and it also very well checked in this month. So all most of the charts performing Elliott checking. If everything goes fine, we can see immediate 300 points movement in SBI. And in the negative side, it's very crucial. It will go below. If it go below 280, then it's very difficult for SBI. 280 is 260. If it's go below 260, it's very crucial. So most of the bank stocks performing in the crucial range compared to HDFC Bank. So currently HDFC Bank driving very well. If we see HDFC Bank, it's driving other stocks very well compared to other stocks. If HDFC Bank gets stuck at 2300, if it cannot move about 2300, then it will be on the speculation wise, it will become very difficult in the company results. So you check all the stocks like this in stockage, okay. Axis Bank chart is very good. Everything is checking at the bottom. If it's checking more time, and if it cross the Elliott wave, we can see the uptrend. If it cannot able to cross the resistance of certain levels, Here we can see 700. If it cannot able to cross 700 levels or 750, then it will become difficult. So on the moving side, we need to see all the uh, different checkings uh, during the trading hours. Like Kodak Bank, very good checking in at the top level. It is not at checked at the bottom. If compared to other stocks we seen so far, Kotak Bank, if it cannot go above 1500, then we need to see how the speculation will go. But currently it is in the favor side, Kotak Bank, compared to all other banks including HDFC. So it's performing in the positive side. Kotak Bank only performing in the positive sides, and it's checking the resistance level at 1500, and nearly 6 to 3 months. 6 to 3 months is not able to cross 1550, and 1460. So 100 points, 1460, 1560. 100 points, or else 1420, 100 points checking in 3 months. So speculation wise, if it check more number of times at up level, there is a possibility of coming down to 1350, 100 points, 150 points down. Okay. So we need to see how in the trading hours it will move. So these are the updates in the Nifty Bank, and if you get some informations on other stocks or indices, let me know, and just call my number 63827322151. More importantly, this week and next week will play crucial in the bank sector and IT sector. Both are performing in the same way. Energy and auto performing in the same way. I'll show how it do in couple of weeks. Couple of weeks is more crucial for these indices. IT performing at the top level, and it trying for the downside, at the and it is already able to check Elliott wave. Currently, if it pass in Elliott wave, we can see some good movements in Nifty IT. Or else if it not able to cross 16,000, it's very difficult for Nifty IT. In the energy sector, we can see it's already in the good top levels. It checked very good. Now if it cross the Elliott wave, it can go move up to 16,000. Downside, the movements are very high. Sorry. So 15,000, 15,500 are immediate checking for Nifty Energy. You can see how the trading goes in the couple of weeks. And if we check Dow, it's very good at the top levels. It's checking at the medium at 7,000, and it is crossed the limit. Sorry, the stock at Nifty Auto is not good. It crossed a little limit. It need to cross above 8,000. If it not able to cross above 8,000, it will give more recession. Based on the recession, it will give more downside movements. And auto is very difficult to move compared to all other indices. So our favorite is not all the indices. based on the trading only we can predict how it goes. So if it not able to move the immediate resistances in shown as shown in the indices chart, it's very difficult for the upside trend. If it goes above the immediate resistances, based on the speculation, we can in the company results we can move full throttle to upside up to good levels. So that is updates currently. Thanks for your listening. Thank you very much.